Question 16. The atoms copper 29 with mass number 64 and zinc 30 with mass number 65 have the same number of A. Electrons, B. Neutrons, C. Nucleons, D. Protons. The correct answer is B. Neutrons. Explanation. So let's do a very quick math right here. So for copper 29, the number of neutrons will be 64 minus 29, which will give you 35. For zinc 30, number of neutrons will be 65 minus 30, which gives you 35. So boom, you have it, right? So same number of neutrons. That is why they are called isotones. Different elements but equal number of neutrons. Question 17. Which of the following observations would accompany the passing of sulfur 4 oxide into acidified KMnO4? A. Decolorization of solution. B. Black deposit and purple solution turns green. C. Effervescence and yellow solution turns green. D. Yellow deposit and decolorization of solution. The correct answer is A. Decolorization of solution. Explanation. When sulfur 4 oxide, which is a reducing agent, meets purple acidified KMnO4, it reduces the original Mn7+, which is purple, to Mn2+, which is colorless. So the solution loses its color. That's what we call decolorization. Question 18. Which of the following processes takes place during distillation? I, we have absorption, II, desorption, III, evaporation, IV, condensation. So A, II and III only. B, I and II only. C, I only. D, III and IV only. The correct answer is D, III and IV only. That is evaporation and condensation. Explanation. Distillation is all about separating by boiling point. You heat up a liquid, that is evaporation. It turns into vapor, and then you cool it down, that is condensation, to get it back as a liquid. So there's no absorption, there's no desorption. It's just a phase change magic happening. Question 19. Iodine can be separated from a mixture of iodine and potassium chloride by A. Distillation, B. Sedimentation, C. Sublimation, D. Filtration. The answer is C. Sublimation. Explanation. Iodine changes directly to gas on heating, leaving potassium chloride behind. That is a classic sublimation. Question 20. Which of the following elements within any given period of the periodic table would always have the lowest first ionization energy? A. The alkali metal. B, the noble gas. C, the halogen. D, the alkaline earth metal. The correct answer is A, alkali metals. Explanation: ionization energy is how much energy it takes to snatch an electron. So alkali metals like sodium or potassium, they give their electrons away like free samples, like charity. That's why they have the lowest first ionization energy. One thing to remember this is that alkali metal atom tosses an electron like a gift. The punchline here is that alkali metals always say, "Take it, I don't need it."
If this is helpful, subscribe and stay tuned.
Love, Coco, yeah, no, wahala. KokoChem be the plug, make you know dog. From JHS to SHS we teach all. Subscribe sharp before we dissolve.